This piece literally fell out. Don't laugh at it, but you can see I taped it up because I was in a pinch. It was gonna start raining and I noticed this little cap on the ground. Good afternoon and welcome to Travel Around Suzy. If you haven't been here before, welcome. This channel is all about van life, projects, maintenance, all that good stuff, and about traveling. Right now I can't travel, so we are remodeling and fixing and maintaining my vehicle until I get back on the road. So just a little backstory. I own an 04 Chevy Express with like 160,000 miles onto it. It has been beat up because I do backcountry roads. I do not baby my van. I live in it, I work in it, I travel in it, and it's 20 years old, over 20 years old. So pieces break. Probably about a year ago, I had one of these handles break on me. As you notice, the rivets are out because these are riveted in. Then you have to drill them out and then you have to put new bolts in. I went to the junkyard, I picked up this one, works perfect. I really love having these windows open, so I am going to try to keep them being open. And the other day here in Michigan, it was extremely hot, so I had the windows open, and what would you know? The other side, this piece literally fell out. Don't laugh at it, but you can see I taped it up because I was in a pinch. It was gonna start raining and I noticed this little cap on the ground. So I quickly jumped, because obviously I don't have the piece on hand. I was like, what do I do? So I took some caulk, put the old piece back on, and as you can see, I already snapped the handle off so that I wouldn't push it back through. But today we're gonna fix this. We're gonna clean up this mess. I actually, because I have no time to go to a junkyard, I just bought a brand new one from Amazon, and I will link this down below. It was really not that expensive. You can see the rivet right there. I am not gonna take the time to rivet that out because I don't have bolts or screws and nuts to replace that yet. But I do want this to be shut and locked. So since what we're going to do is we're going to kind of cheat. We're going to take this piece off here, right here. See how it comes off? We're going to take this off and then we're just going to attach this to this. Let's go. First step is we got to clean up my mess, and it did not leak. I know it looks ugly, but this van was just going to sit here for 2 weeks until I got the part. But it had been raining just about every other day. We had thunderstorms, tornado warnings. I need to protect my van. So that's my quick fix. DIY everything, but try to upgrade when I can. So I'm going to start with just peeling this off. And then we got to take all this off. Now I know some of you guys are going to say, well, just get a razor. And I probably will. But I'm a little hesitant because I don't want to scratch my glass. And I don't want to screw up my lettering. And I know it's just, what I used was just window and bathroom caulk. So it will come off. It will just take me a minute. So I'm going to speed lap through most of this process because this is like watching paint dry. I don't think y'all want to be here for that. All right, let's get that a rest for a minute. Let's clean the inside here, which is not as bad And then I need to clean this all up because I want the new piece to get a really good seal. I figured since we have a beautiful day, let's get more projects done in the van. I've got it as clean as I'm going to get it for today. There's still a little bit of debris there, but I can't seem to get it off. So it's just gonna stay like that. And let's get the pieces put together now. So here's my new part. And we are going to make sure I'm in camera. We're gonna snap this piece off like that. Then we're just gonna install this part. To install this part, we have to slide this pin out because there's a screw back there. There's a screw back there that unlocks this lock nut. Favorite tools. Play with some tools. I'm hoping that this slid it out. Now let's see if it's coming. It's out. Now there's a screw right there. Let's get my other screw. This is why I love this screwdriver. It's got all the different screws right in the screwdrivers in the handle. And sadly, I've already lost one. It's got to be somewhere in my van, but I'll look for that another day. Voila! And it's ratcheting. Love it! Now, I will link this down below. I think this is one of the perfect tools for van life. It is very compact, easy to use. So now so there's a screw in there. This piece goes through there. And then this, wait a minute, this piece. So let's see. There's like a little rubber right here. This goes through there. This goes on the outside. And then this goes in here. And then we put the screwdriver in there. And hopefully we didn't just lose it. put this pin through here. Oh, we got it through the middle. Now we want to put it all the way through. Need to make sure that that's lined up. There we go. Now we have a locking window. Yay! Project's all done. Now no water will get through there. It's nice and clean. Thank you all for watching and helping me repair this. And I hope that you guys got something out of this video. And if you own a Chevy Express van, I have done a lot of work on this van. And go check out this playlist of all the maintenance and work I've done on this van right here in this list. Safe travels, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you on trivia night. Thank you for being here.